Welcome back to the Data Loop News Channel. We are back here in the past where a dino shooting is said to take place. Here's the director now.
Yes, my name is Travis, and I work for Time Safari. We go back in time to kill the dino of everybody's dreams.
Wow, how many dinos have you helped kill this year?
In this year alone, we've helped kill 200 dinosaurs.
Wow, that's a lot of dinos. Who's your friend back there?
That is Travis. He's the one who, that's Eccles. He's the one who paid for this trip.
Well, hello, I'm Eccles, and I'm about to kill a big T-Rex.
Alrighty, I'll let you get to that. Cameraman, make sure they're in the shot.
Stop that. Don't even aim for fun. You know, if that went off, that changed the history of the timeline. Foreshadow. Get ready to aim. The dino could be here any minute. No, you can't be chicken out now. You already paid for this. We can't leave till this dino is killed.
Well, okay.
Boom, boom, boom. Die.
Ow!
Okay.
Wow, that was absolutely amazing. That was the closest to death I've ever come.
Yeah, that was pretty scary, but where's Eccles?
I'm not sure. I saw him run away when the dinosaur came out.
That chicken, he could have messed everything up, including the timeline. Well, I'm gonna go get some wipes for the blood.
Okay. Back to you, folks.